Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be refinishing my outdated kitchen. I carefully removed all the handles from the cabinets. This step is essential before we dive into the finishing process. Next, I use frog tape to number each door, matching it to its corresponding cabinet. I proceeded to take off the cabinet doors and hinges. To keep track of the screws for each hinge, I had two methods. I either used plastic wrap to secure them or left them inside the hinge while putting tape over it. I made sure to label each hinge with numbers like 1P for the top hinge and 1B for the bottom hinge. This way, reassembling them will be easier. Since I planned to paint the inside of the cabinets, I removed the shelves and placed all the hinges on the countertop. Before we jump into day 2, I thoroughly wiped down the cabinets with all-purpose cleaner. It took me a day and a half to mask off areas I didn't want to get paint on. I did forget to mask off the window, but don't worry, I removed the overspray with a straight razor. I used an orbital sander with a 180 grit sandpaper on the main surface and a 180 grit sanding block for the finer edges. At times, I switched to 220 grit for a smoother result. To keep the workspace clean, I placed a box fan with a filter near the window to collect the airborne dust and paint overspray from the upcoming paint spraying. Once sanding was completed, I used a shop vac to clean up the dust, and off camera, I wiped everything down with a damp tack cloth to ensure no dust remained. For this project, I'm using the Wagner Flexio 3500 paint sprayer, paired with the STIX Interior Waterborne Bonding Primer by Benjamin Moore, which is excellent for this job. I chose Benjamin Moore Classic Hearthstone for its cool, neutral color, which perfectly complements my kitchen style. To make the painting process efficient, my sister assisted in painting the edges and corners with the paintbrush, and then I used a foam roller to cover any brush lines, ensuring a smooth and consistent finish. I didn't get a chance to record myself during days 4, 5, and 6, but let me quickly fill you in on what I did. On day 4, I sanded and wiped down 24 cabinet doors with all-purpose cleaner, and then I primed them. Day 5 was all about painting those doors. It's essential to take your time and do it right. On day 6, I added vinyl paper to the remaining shelves for a fresh look, and I also added sleek black handles to complete the modern vibe. 7, I primed both the doors and the cabinets. I didn't sand them down this time, but I made sure to wipe them down with all-purpose cleaner to prep them for painting. I plan on changing all the hinges to soft close hinges, so that's why I didn't remove them. Today is the final day, day 8. I applied 2 coats of paint to the doors and cabinets for a stunning finish. Remember, you can recoat after an hour or 2 if needed. This entire project took me around 57 hours to complete, and I couldn't be happier with the results. I also installed a new range during this project. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more exciting projects ahead. Thank you.